Growing up dito, of course, we all know your dad, as in Lolo Tony, Congressman Tony Cuenco. Growing up, of course, kay Lajutan na he was a lifelong public servant.
Yeah.
What was it like growing up?
Oh, as early as, 4 years old, I was 4 years old. Kuha na, kaning congressman na to akong papa, that was in 1965. The first time he became congressman at the age of 29. And I remember, sa 4 years old, pakuad to, I remember, magkuyog-kuyog ko sa kampanya, kaya di yun ko magpabiya. Kaya akong mama mo kuyog mampod. I didn't want to be alone. Ang akong mga younger siblings, kuan man, kaning wala pa, mataw. Ako pa yun na to. And later on, as it went on, ang iyang career in politics, somehow, akong kuan ba, na-realize nga, di yun ko ganahan ng sudong politika kay mawa na ang atong attention sa pamilya. Biyaan na lang mi. At yun ang priority sa katawhan. But later on, when kanang kuan ako na mature enough na ko to realize nga passion mang yun niya. And there is nothing we can do kung mao yun na iyang hilig, mao yun na iyang passion. And it's worth it kay serbisyo mang yun sa katawhan. And he finds so much appreciation in the work that he does.